In this video, I'll show you a comparison between the ULA Dragonfly and the ULA Atlas. The base design in these packs is the same. They both have a large duffel style opening, side and front stretchy pockets, as well as a top pocket and a laptop compartment. The main difference is the size. The Dragonfly is a smaller 30-liter weekend pack, while the Atlas is a larger 40-liter pack with some upgraded features to accommodate carrying heavier weights. I'll do a quick rundown to show you the different features, and then I'll pack these bags up to show you the difference in capacity. Both packs come in a variety of fabric options. I got them both in this VX21, which is one of the more lightweight of their X-Pac fabric options. I go into more detail on the other features, showing you the zippers, the pockets, and the backpack straps in my full Dragonfly review video. But because most of the features are really similar on these packs, this video I'm going to be focusing on the differences between these bags and showing you the capacities. The Dragonfly here is the smaller of the two. It's designed as a weekend bag. It has smaller dimensions that are going to fit under the seat on most airlines. It has a length of 19.5 by 11 inch width by a 7-inch height. Well, the Atlas on the bottom here is a larger carry-on bag with a 40-liter capacity. It has the exact same height and width dimensions, but the length is a few inches longer at about 23 inches. The Dragonfly here, total capacity is 30 liters. This includes these front and side stretchy pockets, which I'll show you later, can hold quite a bit. Main compartment is about 22 liters. The Atlas here, 40 liters total, also including the capacity on the pockets, while the main compartment capacity is about 28 liters. All the differences and features between these two packs are going to involve the carry systems. The Dragonfly has a simple carry system with padded shoulder straps and an adjustable sternum strap. The Atlas here adds these adjustable top load carriers to the shoulder straps, as well as this large removable hip belt here in the bottom and a removable frame sheet that's behind the backpack straps. These upgrades are going to make this pack very comfortable to carry, even when you have a ton of weight in here. The frame sheet on the Atlas here is located in this top pocket, same compartment as the laptop compartment. On the Dragonfly, there's a thin piece of firm 1/4-inch foam behind the laptop compartment in the main compartment. This isn't here on the Atlas, but is instead replaced by this removable frame sheet. It's a pretty simple design. The same 1/4-inch piece of firm foam padding, soft padding on the back to protect your laptop, and the rigidity comes from these two long curved piece aluminum stays. While the Dragonfly doesn't have a hip belt, the Atlas comes with this optional, huge, removable padded hip belt. This is a great option because this thing comes in 5 different size options, ranging from 26 all the way up to 42 inches. This thing is very beefy, has this thick padding that goes all the way up around the side of your hips. Where it connects, it has 2 adjustable strap buckles with this large plastic Duraflex connector. And then additionally, these 2 adjusting straps on the sides. And if you choose to go without the hip belt, you can take this off, just remove these side straps, remove the Velcro behind this back padding here, and then this thing can just slide right out. And if you choose to forego the hip belt completely, it will make the pack $39 cheaper. And then the design on these shoulder straps is exactly the same, except the Atlas has these top load adjusters. These usually aren't needed on smaller packs like the Dragonfly, but for heavier packs, it helps a lot with your weight distribution and helps bring the top of the pack closer to your back. So now I'll pack these bags up. I'll start with the Dragonfly, pack it with kind of a regular weekend gear for travel, take everything out, put it in the Atlas to show you what the difference in capacity is. Start out with the Dragonfly. I have clothes in 2 packing cubes here, 4 t-shirts, 2 pairs of pants, 2 long sleeve button-up shirts, 3 socks, 3 underwear, pair of shorts, puffy jacket, shoes, wind shirt, travel backpack, and toiletry kit. As well as a small pile of electronics, charger, battery, travel wallet, notebook, phone, and sunglasses. This thing is very simple to pack. Packing cubes fit easily on the bottom, and then the rest of this stuff just slides right in on top. That's everything packed into the main compartment. And then this top pocket here is plenty large enough for all of these electronics and accessories that I brought. This is the Dragonfly packed out with all the gear that I had on the table there. Weighed in about 5.5 kilograms or around 12 pounds. I could have fit a lot more gear in this pack if I'd used these side and front stretchy pockets, but the capacity between the Atlas and these pockets is going to be really similar, so I just went ahead and compared the capacity of the main compartment. This is what the Dragonfly looks on me, fully packed out. Definitely a comfortable carry. These shoulder straps are more than adequate for a pack of this size, especially. I only have it packed out at about 12 pounds, and you definitely don't need a hip belt with a bag of this size. Now I'll transfer everything over to the Atlas, show you what this bag looks like with all this gear and how much extra gear you can fit in here. This is everything transferred into the Atlas. Because these bags are exactly the same width and height, the main portion of the pack's pretty much the same. The only difference is you have this large space right here in the top because this bag is about 4 inches taller. And then just to kind of show you a practical difference in capacity, you're looking at something like this small camera case here. I have a pair of jeans. So you're looking at maybe, 2 pairs of jeans, some extra electronics, 5 or 6 t-shirts, maybe an extra jacket, difference in capacity between these two bags. This is what the Atlas looks like with all that gear I had in the Dragonfly, plus those few extra things I put in the top. And I weighed this thing, it's about 6.9 kilograms or 15.2 pounds. This is what the Atlas looks on me, fully packed. Again, this is about as comfortable as a travel backpack is gonna get. Large, wide shoulder straps, top load adjusters, bring the top of the load close to your back. These hip pads are gigantic, they're adjustable, really take a lot of the weight off your shoulders. So this is about as comfortable as a travel backpack is ever gonna get. And just real quick to show you some of the versatility in these packs. I don't even have anything in these stretchy pockets right now. These things are gigantic. You can fit a ton of gear in here. Say you're heading down to the beach, you can pack a towel in these top bungee straps, yoga mat, whatever you want. You have these 2 giant side stretchy pockets. Also, you can fit pretty much as big of a water bottle, clothes, almost anything that you can fit in these things are pretty gigantic. So all these extra exterior pockets really add a lot to the volume on these 2 packs. So again, if you want more details on the individual features on this pack, check out the full review on the ULA Dragonfly. And I hope you enjoyed this video comparison between the Dragonfly and the ULA Atlas, and thanks for watching.